Are you feeling overwhelmed with tax return errors? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we'll guide you through the essentials of IRS Form 1040X, your go-to solution for amending your individual income tax return. Let's start with the basics. Form 1040X, also known as the Amended U.S. Individual Income Tax Return, serves one primary purpose: correcting mistakes in your previously filed federal tax return. Whether it's errors in your filing status, dependents, or missed credits or deductions, this form ensures your tax records stay accurate. Now, who needs to file this form? Anyone who has already filed a tax return and needs to make adjustments. Whether it's correcting the main forms like 1040, 1040SR, or 1040NR, making post-deadline elections, adjusting amounts previously modified by the IRS, or claiming a carryback due to a loss, Form 1040X is your solution. Filing Form 1040X involves providing a line-by-line description of adjustments. You'll need to clearly record the type and amount of each amendment, along with a brief description of why the changes are necessary. Remember, include a revised version of the entire 1040 or 1040SR, along with any supporting documents, even if they weren't amended. Some important tips for a smooth process. To secure a refund, file the form within 3 years after the original return was filed or within 2 years after the tax was paid, whichever is later. And if your original return included a refund, wait until you receive it before filing Form 1040X. In conclusion, IRS Form 1040X is your essential tool for correcting errors and maintaining accurate tax records. Don't let mistakes cause you stress. Stay tuned for more valuable insights, and remember, we're here to guide you through the intricacies of tax matters. For personalized assistance with your tax journey, reach out to High Five Consulting. Your success is our priority. Visit our website at highfiveconsulting.in or contact us at admin@highfiveconsulting.in. Let's navigate the path to financial accuracy together. High Five Consulting, your trusted tax partner.